Today's decision shocked many in Cincinnati. One judge wrote that he has to trust the jury to decide what is a legitimate campaign contribution and what is a bribe, even in hard cases like this one. PG Sittenfeld blamed prosecutors for overreaching in their case against him and bad jury instructions. But a three-judge panel of the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals rejected all of his arguments in a 2-1 decision. They upheld the jury's verdict that the $20,000 in campaign donations that Sittenfeld took in exchange for help on a downtown project was, in fact, a bribe.
There was no question in my mind that jury was going to convict him after I watched the first 2-3 days of the trial.
Former prosecutor Steve Gooden attended Sittenfeld's trial, where the jury convicted him of bribery and attempted extortion. He says Sittenfeld is now running out of options and will likely return to the minimum security prison camp at Ashland.
Basically, Mr. Sittenfeld would have to report back to this camp in Kentucky where he was.
The judges temporarily released him last May after serving 4 months of his 16-month sentence while they considered his appeal.
The worst case scenario for Sittenfeld would be that they affirm his conviction.
Northern Kentucky University law professor Ken Katkin says Sittenfeld only has 2 options left. He could ask for all 16 judges on the Sixth Circuit to hear his appeal, which is rarely granted, or take his case straight to the U.S. Supreme Court.
They only take about 70 cases a year. They get more than 1,000 petitions a year.
Paula Christian, WCPO 9, I-Team.